Imagine waking up feeling energized, not craving your usual sugary breakfast and thinking, what if I could feel this good every day? What if I told you that this feeling of high energy and even weight loss could be achieved simply by changing when you eat instead of what you eat? Intermittent fasting is one of the most popular methods to boost your health. But how does it actually work? Let's take a closer look. Intermittent fasting isn't a typical diet where you focus on restricting specific foods. It's a pattern of eating that cycles between fasting, where you don't eat, and eating. You're not changing what you eat, but rather when you eat. While this may sound simple, it has a powerful effect on your body's metabolism, and it can lead to benefits like fat loss, better energy levels, and improved overall health. When you fast, your body shifts from using food as energy to burning stored fat. This happens because your insulin levels drop. Insulin, the hormone released when you eat, helps your body absorb glucose from food and store it in your muscles and liver. But when you fast, your body needs energy, so it starts to burn fat instead of relying on the food you've just consumed. This process is key to how intermittent fasting helps with weight loss. Think of your body like a car. After you fill it with fuel, food, the engine runs on that fuel. But when you don't fuel up, your body taps into the reserve tank, your fat stores, to keep going. And just like that, you begin to burn fat for energy. But it's not just about weight loss. Intermittent fasting works on a deeper level. It triggers cellular repair processes like autophagy, which is your body's way of cleaning out damaged cells and making room for new healthy ones. This process helps keep your body functioning at its best. It's like hitting the reset button for your cells. Autophagy has even been linked to improved brain function and slowing down the aging process. Intermittent fasting doesn't just help with weight and cellular health, it can improve your heart health, lower blood pressure, and reduce inflammation. Studies show that fasting can help lower cholesterol levels and improve insulin sensitivity, which is essential for preventing type 2 diabetes. So, it's not just about looking better, it's about feeling better and keeping your body in top condition. One of the most popular methods of intermittent fasting is the 16-8 approach, where you fast for 16 hours and eat all your meals within an 8-hour window. That means you could skip breakfast and eat lunch and dinner within that time frame. But what's great about intermittent fasting is that it's flexible. If 16-8 doesn't work for you, there are other methods like the 5-2 approach, where you eat normally 5 days of the week and restrict your eating on 2 non-consecutive days. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Won't I just be hungry all the time? That's a common concern. But the truth is, many people find that after a few days, they start to feel less hungry during fasting hours. Once your body adapts to this new rhythm, you'll likely experience fewer cravings and more stable energy levels throughout the day. Plus, intermittent fasting doesn't require you to eliminate entire food groups or count every calorie. It's about being strategic with your eating windows. Of course, intermittent fasting isn't for everyone. If you have certain health conditions like diabetes or if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, it's a good idea to talk to a healthcare professional before trying it. But for most people, it's a simple, flexible, and powerful tool to help your body reset, recover, and function better. If you're curious to give intermittent fasting a try, start small. Maybe begin with a 12-hour fasting window for a week and see how your body reacts. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about finding a rhythm that works for you. Whether you're looking to shed some pounds, boost your energy, or just give your body a chance to repair and refresh, intermittent fasting might be the key you've been searching for. So, what do you think? Are you ready to give your body the break it deserves and try something new? Let us know in the comments or share your experiences with intermittent fasting.
Got a question about how something really works? Drop it in the comments and we might cover your topic in our next video.